One of the most frequently asked questions by beginners when learning to use ESPRIT is, why are my toolpaths grayed out? Here we have a Wire EDM part. Looking at the Wire EDM tab, I don't have any access to my Wire EDM toolpaths. The solution is simple. We correct this by setting up our part correctly. There are two steps to this process. First is the part setup. The part itself is usually defined upon import. Under the Import button, there's a checkmark called Import as New Part, and that usually takes care of this step for us. If we are drawing our own part or working with multiple models, we may need to specify the part manually here in Part Setup. We do this by double-clicking on the Part button, and here under Geometry we would select our model and pick OK. To designate the stock model, we have many choices, from rectangular block to a cylindrical bar to any kind of solid model that we'd like to draw. In our case, we'll pick a simple bar stock and use a small offset. Once the part and stock are defined, we can move to Machine Setup. Machine Setup is the second essential step to begin our project. We need to specify which machine we'll be using to activate many custom settings within the software. As an example, I'll bring in a Sodic machine. Once we have the machine in place, and often we will only see the nozzles, we will add the workpiece that we've just defined in Part Setup. Now it's time to confirm our choices. By checking back on the EDM tab, we can see our EDM toolpaths are now available and we can begin programming. Thank you for your attention.